How to fix contact not showing on WhatsApp. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide will show you how you can fix the problem if the saved contact not showing on the WhatsApp application. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, all you have to do is simply go and open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on apps. And at this point, I just need to find out the WhatsApp application. And once you get the WhatsApp here, go ahead and tap on this one and tap on contact and make sure you have select the full access for the contact. So just go and tap on allow full access. And once you do this one, the last thing that you guys can do is just need to get back to the main settings of your iPhone. And from the main settings, you just need to scroll down and tap on screen time. And then scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction, and under this one make sure you have enabled this feature, and then scroll down, tap on contact, and scroll down to the bottom and tap on WhatsApp and make sure you have allowed the full access for the WhatsApp as well. Now once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and restart your iPhone. You can tap on this virtual home button, device, more, restart, and tap on restart and restart your iPhone. And once you do that, most likely a problem is going to be solved. But let's say you did this but you still have the problem, then the last thing that you guys can do, go ahead and uninstall the WhatsApp application and reinstall it from the App Store, and most likely a problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.